Game over, foo. Vegetto's got a new form. In tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Super Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker Vegetto. In order to stop that new and improved Janemba, Goku, Vegeta, Xeno Trunks, Xeno Pan, they had to transfer all their energy into Xeno Goku and Xeno Vegeta to form, well, let's just say that his name was Super Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker. That's basically the Super Saiyan 5 of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. You ask me, if you ask me, this guy, one of my favorites. We already... There we go. Now let's go all the way down. We draw his beard. I mean, Vegetto doesn't exactly have a beard. Super Saiyan 3 Nappa does. For a reminder, I am going to draw Super Saiyan Nappa real soon. There's his pecs. Alexa, play Ben 10 Omniverse.
Ben 10 Omniverse by Neil Stenson on Amazon Music.
There we go. Alexa, who is Vegetto?
According to Wikipedia, Vegeta, also known as Prince Vegeta or alternatively styled as Vegeta 4, is a fictional character in the Dragon Ball franchise created by Akira Toriyama. Vegeta first appears in chapter number 204 Sayonara, Son Goku, published in Weekly Shonen Jump magazine on November 7, 1988, seeking the wish-granting Dragon Balls to gain immortality.
Here's his tail. I meant his legs. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, who is the fusion Vegetto?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Trunks and Bra. Did that answer your question?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
Alexa, what happens when Goku and Vegeta fuse with the Pataras?
Here's something I found on the web. According to thegamer.com, when fused using the Patara earrings, Goku and Vegeta become known as Vegeta, who is considered to be the most powerful being in the franchise.
There we go. Now we draw his fist. Alexa, what is Super Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker?
Here's something I found on the web. According to constantshoe.com, Super Full Power Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker is when the characters, well, break this limit / max power and go further.
There we go. Lastly, we draw his tail. Last thing we gotta do is to draw the light pink aura that surrounds him. There we go. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission Theme by Mura Jam on Amazon Music.
And done. There he is, folks. That's how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker Vegetto. I've wanted to draw this character for a long time, and it's finally made manifest. Anyways, I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your block and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. And, well, I've got more episodes like this one on the way. So, stay tuned for more of the strongest warriors that I've concocted for you all to see. Anyways, I'll see you soon.